Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB. It's the final day of our pool season, and tomorrow the pool is officially closed. Before we get rolling, if you're feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save some money on your pool closing. Stick around. Now, in order to maintain our warranty on our pool, we must have the company close it. But the Garage Gal is super brilliant and has found a way to save some money. Before we get into that, we have a couple quick procedures that we need to take care of. One of the first things I'm gonna do is take out this Barracuda. That is an awesome tool for cleaning your pool. I did a video on that in the past, and I'll link that down below in the description. We also took out our little accessories like our thermometer and our sprinkler system, cleaned off our floats. I'm draining some water out of the pool and all the way to the street. I'm lowering the water level down about 3 to 5 inches. Now, some may argue against this, but let me explain my reasoning. In the fall, it rains. In the winter, it snows. And then in the spring, it rains some more. That being said, the cover that we're about to put on top of this pool is porous, meaning any moisture will slip right through. The cover is meant to do that, but that does mean that any moisture that gets in will elevate the water level. If I don't do this now before we put that cover on, I will have an overflowing pool come March. So a little bit of water has to come out. I'm using a simple submersible pump and a wide hose to help drain this all out fast. So I'm lowering the water down to just about the bottom of the skimmer box. Once we get a good rainstorm or two, plus some snow in the wintertime, that skimmer box will be full right back up to the top. So the other day, the pool company came by and did a partial closing on the pool. Let me explain what that means. They plugged all the jets, took down all of our rails, blew out all of the pool lines, and if you ever get the chance to see them blow out the lines, it's really cool. This whole pool turns into a giant jacuzzi with all the bubbles coming right up. It's more actually like a wave pool. Drained out the entire pool filter system. If you're interested in checking out my video on how to clean your saltwater pool filter system on an easy weekly basis, I'll have that video linked down below. They also pour in some winter stabilizing chemicals to hold this over through the winter months. While the submersible pump is pumping out its water, I'm going to take this net and I'm going to clean out any last minute debris before we put the cover on. So as I mentioned earlier, the pool company came by and did a partial closing. That basically means that they come and perform all the steps that I just mentioned, except putting the cover on. Ask the pool company if there is a discount if you put that cover on yourself. The Garage Gal asked, and we save approximately $100 by putting this Yard Guard pool cover on by ourselves. This pool cover is built for winter, and I'll have one linked down below. Be sure to measure your pool's correct size before ordering. Installing this cover is not hard. First, we begin by unscrewing the deck hooks all around the pool. Next, we laid the cover out and pulled it across the pool. You will have to move kind of quick here because the pool cover will start to sink. We hooked it on all around the pool deck. As the cover is put on, the remaining hooks become a little bit more difficult to pull. I use this pull bar tool that came with our cover. Make sure that you get one of these with your purchase. Simply stick the hoop on it, set it on the deck hook, and pull it back. These covers are super durable, sturdy, and safe. And they can hold thousands of pounds of weight on top of them. When I originally purchased this pool cover, the pool tech said that it could support a car on top of it. That's pretty impressive. So have no fear this winter with snow piling up on top of it. If you enjoyed this video, give me one of these. For more cool Garage Gear videos, check out my links right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.